Hello everyone! So if you want to change a strap on your Huawei Watch GT4, well, first of all, let's flip the watch over, and here we'll see two straps with two levers. So to take a strap out, first of all, grab a strap, find this lever, now pull it to your side and take it off. Easy as that. Now let's do the same with the second one. So turn it over, find the lever right here, pull it to our side and take it off. Easy as that. Now, if you want to enable your straps, once again, I don't have any new ones, so I'll just apply an old ones. So what do? Turn over your watch, grab your strap, enter one side of it, and now where you can see this lever, once again, hold it back and let the other side enter this space, just like this. Let's do it with the second one. Once again, grab your strap, enter the one side without the lever. All right, now, all right, let's change it vice versa. So enter one side without the lever. Here it is. Now pull the lever to yourself. And that's it. That's how you did it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.